formatted a document in general, and as you can see, our document is Georgia 12 point. We can come over here, we can see that it's double spaced. We can double check that by Control A. See, it's double spaced. We've got our ½ inch indent. We have a couple of other things that we have to worry about. And so the first is you have to give every document a title. Okay, and there's logic to the title. I'm not going to go into that right now, but the logic basically states that the title should tell me what the document's about. After we have a title, then we're going to do author. In this case, I'm just going to stick my name in there. 2 carriage returns or 2 enter twice, and then the beginning of your paper, period. Okay, so this is where it begins. This is the only time you're adding 2 doubles right here. Now, we're going to go back up to the title. We're going to hit backspace once, where it's going to be left justified. We're going to do the exact same thing with your author name. So whatever you're putting in there, it could be Joe Smith. And that's left justified. And then the last thing we have to do is worry about the header. And so we're going to come up above this inch area up here. We're going to double click. And what that does is it opens up the header. We're not going to worry about different first page header. Instead, we're going to put last name. So in my case, it's Hadaway hyphen. And then we're going to go to insert and page number. And we want this page number right here. We're just going to put in. What that does is we still got left justified. So now we're going to come back here, highlight, don't highlight, just put it in front of the first letter of your last name, and we're going to go to Format and down to Align. And we want this right aligned, which means it's going to push it all the way over to the right-hand side of the page. At which point we now have your last name hyphen page number. We can click out of back into the body. We've got the document title, the author, 2 returns down, and then the beginning of your paper. And if we click here and hit Control Enter, then we can see a new page. So that inserts a new page break. And there's the last name and then the page number. You can do that as many times as you want. So at this point, when you're writing a paper, we're going to take our generic document format. We're going to turn it into a paper format by doing these simple things. We've changed nothing about the title. We've changed nothing about the author. There's still 12 point. And then 2 enters, so that there's extra space right here. The beginning of your paper, it's going to go for however long the paper belongs. And then up here, regardless of your first name, last name, hyphen, and then insert page number. And that is how you will format papers, at least for me. All right, so we'll see you in the next video. Bye.